Good morning, my dear students. Today we will go to the discuss about the coordinate geometry extra questions. Prove that the point 0, 0, 5, 5 and minus 5, comma 5 are the vertices of a right isosceles triangle. Firstly, you have to draw one triangle. The coordinate is A, B and C. The coordinate of A is given 0, 0 and coordinate of B is 5, 5 and coordinate C is minus 5, 5. Then after that, first you have to write a solution. Then firstly you have to find out the distance of AB. The distance of AB. Then coordinate of A, that is x1 is equal to 0 and y1 also 0. Then coordinate of B, x2 is equal to 5 and y2 equal to 5. Then by using distance formula, that is AB equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then value of x2 is 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus 0 whole square, and then after that 5 minus 0 is 5 whole square plus 5 minus 0 is also 5 whole square. Then again the 5 square is 25 plus again we have to do a square of 5, that is 25. Then after that we have to add 25 and 25, then we will get 50. Then again we have to reduce 50 into lowest form. Then we have to do LCM. 5 10 the 50, 5 2 the 10, 2 1 the 2. Then in case of square root we have to write a 1 5 outside the root, and those which are not so pure, it will be written in under rows. It is the distance of AB. The distance of AB is how much? 5 root 2 unit. And again we have to find the distance of AC. Again we have to find the distance of AC. Then x1 in case of a coordinate of A, x1 is 0 and y1 also 0. The value of C is, that is x2 is minus 5 and y2 is 5. Then again we have to find out the distance of AC by using a distance formula. Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and x2 value is minus 5. x2 value is how much? Minus 5 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus 0 whole square, and then after that minus 5 minus 0 is minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 0 is 5 whole square. Then again we have to write minus 5 is minus is a plus, 5 to square कति हुन्छ 25 plus again 5 to square गर्दा कति हुन्छ 25. Then we do not have a sufficient space. Then again we have to rub and do the problem. Then after that 25 plus 25 is root over 50 unit. Then you have to reduce 50 into smallest form, that is a 5 root 2 unit. You have to do already. Then again we have to write now again we have to find the the distance of BC, then use the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square then after that x2 value is minus 5 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square, then minus 5 is your minus 10 whole square plus 5 and minus 5 cancel, that is 0 को square, then minus 10 को minus is a plus, 10 10 the 100 plus 0 square means 0, then 100 plus 0 is a 100 to root 10 unit, then we will get lastly we will get अब हमने की पाए the distance of AB, distance of AC and distance of BC. Question is tell us that prove that the points are vertex of a right isosceles triangle. अब right isosceles triangle मा के हुन्छ कुनै पनि दुईटा सानो सानो आन्सर लाई के गर्यो जोडेर स्क्वायर गर्यो भने ए लास्ट को ठुलोको जति के हुन्छ हुन्छ ए पुग्यो भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ राइट आइसोसेल्स के हुन्छ ट्रायंगल हुन्छ र लास्ट मा है by using Pythagoras theorem that is BC square is equal to सबभन्दा greater answer BC हो, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Value of BC is 10 को square equal to AB को 5 root 2 को square plus AC also 5 root 2 को square, then 10 square is 100, अब 5 को square 25 root 2 को square कति 2 plus again 5 को square 25 root 2 को square 2, then we got 100 equal to 25 2 जा 50 plus 25 2 जा 50 100 equal to कति त 100 भयो अनि therefore it is on vertex of an isosceles triangle. Okay. Then after that you have to go next question. Next question is find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Second question. कति टाइम लाग्छ है एउटा गर्नु कति टाइम लाग्छ Then second question is find the relationship between question number 2, find the relation between x and y such that the points x comma y is a equidistant from the point from the points 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Then firstly, है अब हामीले पहिला के लेख्नु सल्युसन लेखेर then after that है हामीले है this point is equidistant from a suppose P is equidistant from Q and R. The coordinate of P is we have to consider x and y, and coordinate of Q is given 3, 6, and coordinate of R is our minus 3, how much of 4. Firstly, we have to find the distance of PQ, and then after that, we have to find the distance of PR. पहिला हामीले कसको distance निकाल्नु PQ को, then after that we have to find the distance of PR. Okay, the distance of PQ. That means that the coordinate of P is x, another coordinate is y, and the value of x2 is 3 and y2 is how much of 6. Then by using distance formula, PQ equal to our formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then value of x2 is 3 minus x whole square plus y2 is 6 minus y whole square. Then we have to use the formula a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is our formula. On that formula, we will have to expand it. Then a means 3 and b means x. A square minus 2, a means 3, b means x plus b square plus again have to expand x minus y whole square, that is a square minus 2a means 6, b means y plus y square. Then after that 3 square is 9 minus 6x plus x square plus 6 6 are 36 minus 6 2 are 12 into y 12y plus y square. At last we have to combine the like terms. 9 and 36 is the like term, then we have to add it to it. 9 plus 36 is 45. Other is unlike term, then we have to do as it is. We have to write minus 6x plus x square minus 12y plus y square. This is our equation 1. Again we have to find the distance of a PR. Now the distance of PR, in case of PR, x1 is x, y1 is y, x2 is minus 3, y2 is 4. Then by using distance formula, the distance of PR is equal to square roots. Our formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now then after that we have to अब हामीले के गर्नु पर्यो, यसलाई डिस्टेन्स फर्मुलामा के गर्नु पर्यो, लगाएर एक्सपान्ड गर्नुपर्छ. अब एक्सपान्ड गर्दा सेकेन्ड इक्वेसन कति आउँछ, we have to notice. Then this way x2 value is minus 3 minus 3 minus x whole square plus y2 value is how much? 4 minus y whole square. Then a minus b whole square. A means 3 minus 3 a square minus 2, a value is minus 3, b value is x, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus, again we have to expand in the form of a minus b whole square, a square minus 2, a means 4, b means y plus y square. Then minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus plus 3 to the 6, 6x plus x square plus 4 square means 16 minus 8y plus y square. Then again we have to combine the like term 16 plus 8, 9. 16 plus 9 is 25 plus 6x plus x square minus 8y plus y square is our equation 2. Then we have to write from equation 1 and 2 we can get equation 1 बटा र 2 बटा. त्यसैले अब इक्वेसन 1 मा हाम्रो कति छ फर्स्टली है we have to write in left side है root over how much है इक्वेसन 1 मा 45 minus 6x plus x square minus 12y plus y square is equal to root over how much is given here 25 plus 6x plus x square minus 8y plus y square. Then after that we have to remove the square roots from the both side. At that time we have to do a squaring on the both side, or you have to directly cancel it. Then we can got 45 minus 6x plus x square minus 12y plus y square equal to 25 plus 6x plus x square minus 8y plus y square. Then we have to cancel like term and like term on the both sides same number, that is x square is cancelled and y square also cancel. Then how much remaining, that is 45 minus 6x minus 12y equal to 25 plus 6x minus 8y. First you have to combine the like term, that means minus 6x minus 12y plus 8y equal to 25 minus 45. Then minus 6x and minus 6x how much will get? अब हामीले कति पायो भन्दाखेरि हामीले will got a minus 12x minus 12y plus 8y is minus 4y equal to greater than minus, then we have to subtract 45 minus 25 is our we got a how much 20. Then if you take a minus sign common, then we can get 12x plus 4y equal to minus 20 and minus is cancelled. At last कति पायो भन्दाखेरि 12x plus 4y is equal to 20, and again we have to divide or on the both side by 4. सबैले डिवाइड जान्छ 4 ले डिवाइड जान्छ सबै नम्बरलाई. Then 4 3 जा 12 3x plus y equal to कति 5. This is our relations. यो चाहिँ हाम्रो के भयो त भन्दाखेरि relations between फर्स्ट को p q and pr को रिलेसन. त्यसैले हाम्रो लास्टमा एउटा इक्वेसन आउँछ त्यसलाई नि के भन्छ रिलेसन भनेर भन्छ, that is 3x plus y is equal to 5. This much for today. We have to do our other question in next class. Thank you for